Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we'll learn how to remove your video's background using Canva. So first of all, open up Canva, click on the plus button and select a video template. I'm going to select the story template. And as soon as it opens up, this is how it looks like. I'm going to now add the background first. So I'll choose a video as a background. So I'll click on the plus button on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then scroll towards the right side, go to videos and choose a video that you want to set as your background. So in this particular case, I'm going to select this video as my background. With the video selected, in order to make this a background on your canvas, scroll all the way right and then click on more and set video as background. As soon as you tap on it, it is going to set your video as background. After you set the video as background, click on the plus button again on the bottom left corner and then select the video that you want to remove the background for. So in my case, I've already uploaded the video. So I'll go in videos and the first one that you see is the video that I've uploaded already. So I'll just tap on it and add it to my timeline. This video is already added now, so I'm going to just increase the size of it to fit this video on my screen. So I'll adjust the corners and I'll expand the size just a little bit. So I think looks good here. With that done, once the size is good, I'm going to click on effects, which is located on the bottom of your screen. Tap effects and you guys see the background remover option here. Just tap on it once. It'll take a second and as you guys can see, the background is already removed. Now let's just play this video to see how good this removed the background. So as you guys can see, the background of this video was plain white. Now I've changed the background. This is how it looks right now. And I must say that this is doing a pretty good job because it has removed the background like from the entire video and it's not looking like too odd. Of course you can tell like this is not very realistic, but again it does a pretty good job. If you want to make videos for TikTok and you want to remove backgrounds, you can do it on Canva. I can go ahead and download this video from here. It's giving me an option to download this as an MP4 file. If I download it and add it in my gallery, let's just do that and see how it looks in the gallery. So it is downloading currently. It is going to take a couple of seconds, and as soon as the video is downloaded, I'll play it for you and I'll show you guys how it looks. So I'll go ahead and save this video in my gallery, and it is already saved in my gallery. Let's go into the gallery and see how it looks. Yeah, we've just created this video. So you guys can see it's looking pretty good already. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.